Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Today we're bringing you a simple yet delicious vegetarian dish that even those who are new to Indian cooking can make and enjoy. This is a Dolly's Food Fusion original, which we call Capsicum and Potato Curry. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking!
Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it to medium heat. Add 2 medium chopped onions and fry it for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the onions become translucent. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And fry until raw smell of the spices goes away. Add 2 medium chopped tomatoes with some salt to help them soften. And cook until the tomatoes become soft. Add 2 to 3 medium-sized chopped potatoes and mix well. Add enough water to submerge the potatoes and boil until they become soft. Add 3 medium chopped capsicum and cook on medium heat until they become soft. Add salt to taste and mix well. Turn off the heat and add a pinch of black pepper powder and mix. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with chapatis and rice.
So that is going to be all for today. Thank you all for watching our capsicum and potato curry video. And like I said earlier, if you're new to Indian cooking, go ahead and give this one a try. It's an easy way to start out, and let us know in the comments down below what you thought. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out on all of our upcoming recipes coming to you every week. Bye! Bye!
Oh my God, why did you do that? You dropped the food. Now I have to make another plate. Why did you push the potato off my... Now Sassy is gonna... No, don't eat it. Okay. Okay, I have to stop the camera.
No, don't stop. Stop. Just
Okay. You wanna eat? Okay. I wanna taste it.
Okay.
Do not push it again. Okay. Oh my God, this is really nice. It's good. Chew. It's really good. Okay. Sassy, don't eat it. Oh my.